What's going on, guys? It's your main man James, and I hope you're doing well. And today we're going to be doing affiliate marketing using a brand new method that I've never talked about on this channel before. And for that, we have to pick an affiliate program. What do we want to promote first of all, right? So offer selection, super important, right? So here I am at shareasale.com. I really like ShareASale, right? Why do I like ShareASale? One of the reasons I like ShareASale is that a lot of these programs that they promote are legitimate companies that people already use or people have heard about and may want to use, right? So there's not a lot of convincing that you have to do because they're already familiar with the brand. There's a lot of brand recognition. And so what I want to do, guys, is I want to go ahead and I want to pick a niche that we're going to be promoting using this very special traffic method. And if you scroll here, you're going to see a lot of niches, a lot of things. And the niche that I want to be focusing on is health niche. Okay, you can pick any niche that you want. But for this method, one of the best niches is going to be either health, make money online, or something specific. Something very specific. So I'm going to go with health. It's a nice general niche. There's always people making money. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to type supplements. Okay, I'm going to see if there's something interesting when it comes to supplements. I'm going to hit go. And I'm going to see what kind of interesting offers there are when it comes to supplements. Now there's a lot of supplements and you guys can pick which company you want to work with. You know, most of these are going to be very good brands and quality offers, right? If you take a look, you're getting 15% per sale. There's a power rank here, and 1,000 means like it's not a very high power rank, right? This is better to 28. And we have an EPC, which is earnings per click, which is an average amount of money that people are making per every single click, according to ShareASale, right? 168, 170, 36, 303. 26, there's 10%, and you guys can pick it, right? Because a lot of these numbers are fairly similar, right? Obviously, this has no EPC. You might want to skip that. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to one of my favorite offers. If we scroll down, this is an offer I actually ordered from before, and this is bulk supplements, right? This is 15% per sale, 288 power rank, which is good, which is not 1,000, not 700. It's actually a nice number. And we have a $40 EPC, not 1,000, not 500, not 300, but $40 EPC, which is, it's not a super high number, but it's also a healthy number, right? So we're going to go check out their website. Very important, guys. You guys want to check out the website. You do not want to just promote something random without taking a look. And take a look at this. Really nice website. They got some models here showing off. They got all these products here. It's a high quality website, right? They got a phone number. You can call them 7 days a week. They got support 7 days a week. Pacific Standard Time. You can give them a call. I believe that's in Nevada somewhere. This could be a Nevada area code. Let me take a look. What is this? You know, I want to do my research. I want to figure out where they at, right? Area code. Yeah, there it says that. Area code 702 serves the state of Nevada. So there you go. So, you know, you want to kind of do your homework, guys, right? Super important. But once you've done your homework and you're like, okay, I want to promote these guys, right? What you guys want to do is you want to say join program. You're going to click on join program. Once you do that, you're going to get all affiliate links and stuff like that. You know, that the usual thing. And the next thing is we need to find a traffic source, okay? And I'm going to show you a very unique traffic source, okay? If you go into Google and you Google for Heepsy, that's HEEPSY. You're going to find this website. We're going to click on this website and you're going to end up here, right? Find real influencers in seconds. Millions of Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch influencers, content performance metrics, and fake followers audit, right? So this is a great website, but don't take my word for it. You want to go to a website called SimilarWeb and you want to type them in there, right? So if we type that, Heepsy, you want to see, is this website getting traffic? Is this a legit website? Are these people made up? So if you scroll down, you're going to see, yes, this website has real traffic, right? Last month, they got almost 200,000 visits. And a couple of months ago, they had, 350,000, right? So more than almost 500,000, more than 250,000. So this is a real website. They have 14% from the US. These other countries here. It's a real website with real visitors. And that means we can go to the next step, and this means logging in. We're going to log in to our free account. Now, you do not need to pay. I have a free account. You can just create a free account there. Once you do that, you're going to be on this page here, and here's where you can find influencers. And what are influencers? Well, you should know what an influencer is, but essentially it's a person with a content creator, right? Like with a high follower count, right? So here we have Instagram. You can click on YouTube. You're going to see YouTube. And this is fantastic because you don't need to go out and find these people on your own. Here you have WWE wrestling, right? 83 million subscribers. You need to look at engagement, right? Engagement is super important. That's why you can see where the fakes are and where the real ones are, right? So we're going to go back to Instagram. You can also go on TikTok. In fact, let's go on TikTok for a second. We have 8% engagement, 8.2%, 1 million followers, 460,000 followers, 12% engagement. That's pretty good, right? Look at this one, 15% engagement. And what is this? Alyssa, and could be something related to fitness as well. And we also have Twitch. We can click on Twitch, see what's going on. Same thing, right? Average views. And let's say we want to work with Instagram. Okay, we want to work with Instagram. What we're going to do, guys, is we're going to look at these accounts and we're going to try to find something having to do with health and fitness, okay? So you can sort it by you can filter by followers, publication, engagement, influencer type. Show only influencers, show only Instagram verified if you want. You can do that. You can search by category and keywords or handles, right? So we can type fitness and wellness and we can type search. You can also type, search by category and keywords or handles if you want. But I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to look through some influencers that I feel are going to be a good fit. And so let's say I'm scrolling through. And so let's say I'm browsing around. Let's say I want this influencer. I can simply click on that account. I can add it to a list and I can contact this person to see if they would be interested in doing a shout out or a story and promoting my product, right? Promoting my supplements, right? I can kind of browse around. I can also search by categories. Let's say I only want United States. I can pick United States. And once I have a list of influencers, I can contact them. But what's nice about it is I can click on it and I can see that it's actually telling me that 12.8% engagement, higher than 97% of influencers, right? Post frequency, promotional activity, likes and comments, etc., etc. So I can see that, this is a legit, right? And I can search by different categories. Take a look at all these categories: food and travel, cinema and acting, makeup, sport, right? So all of these niches I can potentially promote: dog grooming, dog products, dog services, pet services, et cetera, et cetera. All of these kind of things that I can promote. This is a really, really great platform when you want to try something different than Facebook, than Google Ads, than Facebook Ads, et cetera, et cetera. The next product I want to show you is called Shoutcard, right? And so if you open this product here, this website here, you're going to see Browse Influencers, Influencer Marketing by Shoutcard. Top influencer marketing platform, reach over 750 million active followers and subscribers. So you can browse influencers here. You can do that. But before we do that, is this site legit? We want to go to SimilarWeb and we want to type them here. And this is exactly what I did. And as you can see, last month, it did just a little bit over 100,000 visits. And the month before that, it was higher. So 130,000. This is 120,000. So it's around 100,000 average per month, which is a legit site. They have almost 20% of their traffic from the United States, and then you followed by some of these other countries. So it's a legit site. They're getting really, really good traffic. So what we want to do is we want to log into our account. Okay, you can register for free. You can log in. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. So now that I'm logged into the account, I can hit Browse Influencers, and I can take a look who's out there and what can I do. All right, so I'm logged into account. Now I can browse influencers. So I can hit Browse Influencers, and I can see who is available. Okay, so I can take a look. I can see, okay, they have these followers here. These are the followers. This is the score. This is the price. And what I can do, guys, is I can browse by category. So I'm going to deselect. I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to say I want Instagram, and then I want, let's say, fitness. Influencer type is both. And here I have the score, I have the price, I have the amount of followers. So this is 446,000 followers, the price $15, $80 for 105 followers, right? So take a look at this guy. So let's say I want to promote a product here. And so I can open this person's Instagram page and I can have a better look at what's happening here. And then once I do that, I have their stats here. I have, their username, member since, average response time within 1 hour, last order 2 months ago, total orders less than 10. And I can have a shout out, I can have a story, I can have a story plus link. There's all these things that I can do here. I have many person from 15 to 40. This is their demographics, their follower demographics, mostly from Italy, United States. We have this permanent shout out. This is the pricing here. And that's super easy because I can have a 2-hour shout out for $80. I have a 24-hour shout out for $190. Your ad will be taken down from influencers' Instagram feed after 2 hours. Your ad will be taken down from influencers' Instagram feed after 24 hours. Permanent shout out. I can do that. And if I go to story, for a 24-hour story, $120, and then story plus swipe up link, $150. So you guys can take a look and you can see what's happening here. Very, very easy, right? I can add this campaign. So let's say I want this campaign. I can add this campaign here. I can add it to cart and I can buy it. And I can get more and more people. It's kind of like shopping at a supermarket, right? I can choose all these products and then I can check out and I can promote more offers and I can see where are the sales coming from. Is it from this influencer? Is it from another influencer? Is it from somebody else? Is it from somebody else? I can see where I'm being successful. And that way I can have a very, very robust, not one, not two, but many campaigns happening at once. So this is another really good site. So like I said, you can go into fitness and you can pick another person here, right? You can pick another person here and you can analyze them. Or you can go to another category and you can do the same thing. And this allows you to promote offers that you probably are difficult to promote using other channels, right? Maybe you cannot do direct linking, you cannot do something else, but you can do it using this method. So remember guys, we have Heapsy. This is the first site, Heapsy, right? And this is another site called Shoutcard. And I know many other sites. If you guys want me to make a longer video about some of these other marketing methods, marketing traffic sources, let me know in the comments below. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. Definitely do that because I'm going to be having some giveaways to subscribers real soon. So you definitely want to be subscribed so that you're going to be eligible for a giveaway. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, leave your comments below and I will see you in the next video.